If you want to change app icon colors in the home screen on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to go into this editing or shaking mode. In the upper left corner, we can tap on edit and then choose customize. In order to choose a very specific color, we can go to tinted over here, select tinted, and then you can pick the color that should be used over here. We can adjust the brightness of the color or the intensity, I guess, of the color. Over here at the bottom below these two color sliders, we can also choose something different, something like this, for example, of course. So you can pick any of these options. You can also pick the color picker over here, so you can try to pick a color from a wallpaper in order to match the wallpaper. And then at the bottom we also have the light and dark options, so you can have like dark icons with the selected color. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.